Hi, we're Team 176, and our pitch for today is to stay healthy and pay less on your health insurance premiums. To set some background, India is the second highest population of diabetic people in the world, and it's the elderly people that are hit by this the most. Adding to this, only 11% of them are covered for their diabetic treatments. So we went ahead and narrowed down our problem statement. On one hand, there are the elderly people who are not able to find insurance plans that fit them, and on the other hand, due to overwhelming amount of claims that the insurance providers get, they are unable to reduce the premium costs. So in one line, our solution is to incentivize healthy habits via offers on insurance premiums. So let me get into our demo for today. These are our characters today. So there's Sindhu and Anita. Both of them are 53-year-old female Indian citizens, and both of them have been paying 5,000 rupees per month on their insurance premiums that cover diabetic treatments. So let me get into the demo now. So Anita came across our product and she's been using it for the past 3 weeks. So today she logs in and she's been recording her sugar levels, and the app's been giving her some insights on how to manage her health better, and based on this she's also been getting a wellness score to keep her motivated. So today she plans to take a reading, and she hasn't had breakfast yet, and she's gonna go ahead and take a reading. So she has this low cost and pretty efficient device that she uses to take her blood sugar readings. So it just works out of a USB and it does not require a battery. So she's inserting a strip to apply her sample to take the reading. And once that's done, she will be able to get the reading. So now she has to sync the reading from the device to the app. So she's doing that, and as you can see, it's just 115 mg per dl, and she's pretty happy with this. So she's going back to the dashboard, but looks like she's gotten a reward now. So she's curious. She goes and sees that. It looks like this is her 10th time recording glucose levels with the app. So she's on a streak and she's gotten a 20% off on her next month premium, and she's pretty happy. She goes back to the dashboard, sees that her health score has also gone up, and Anita is overall pretty happy today. So let's look at the after scenario. So Sindhu's still been paying 5,000 rupees per month on her premium, and also is a little unaware of her health status and where she stands. And on the other hand, Anita is got that 20% off, so she's down to 4,000 per month on her premium, and she is happily on top of her health metrics and is having a really great time using the app. So that's the end of our demo, and to kind of quickly summarize the business aspects of the solution, one of the ideas is to offload the device, whatever was the device that Anita was using. It's a glucometer and it costs under $10, but if you're able to offload it to the insurance providers to give it for lease to the users, that's the first proposition. And the second is that given we have this large user base of diabetic people, this becomes a highly niche segment. So cross-selling becomes a great product market fit for this app, and that's the end of our business model. So this is our team, and we aim to give hope to elderly diabetic patients in India. Thank you so much for listening.